If you're planning to get your learner's permit in Washington State, here's how to start. First, open your browser and search for Get Learner's Permit in Washington State. Click on the first official site that ends in .gov. Before applying, you'll need something called a WDL number. That's your Washington Driver License Number. You might already have one if you've had a Washington ID before, applied on their site, or received a traffic ticket in the state. If not, you'll need to create one. Look for the link on that page to get started. Now, depending on your age and whether you're taking driver's ed, there are two ways to get the permit. If you're between 15 and 18 and you plan to take a driver training course, you'll follow option 1. First, give your WDL number to your training school. They'll let the state know you're enrolled. Then, complete the online permit application. You can do this up to 10 days before your course begins. If you're under 18, your parent or guardian must be there to give permission online. If you want your photo on the permit right away, schedule a visit to a driver licensing office and bring ID documents. Also, bring proof of your relationship to your parent or guardian, things like a birth certificate or school records. The cost for the permit is $25. If you're not doing a driver training course, you'll need to be at least 15 and a half. This is option 2. You'll start by passing the knowledge test at an approved testing centre. Testing fees vary by location. Once you pass, you can go online to complete your permit application. Again, if you're under 18, your parent or guardian will need to be there to give online permission. To get your photo on the permit, schedule a visit to the licensing office with all your required documents. After submitting the application and paying the $25 fee, you'll get a temporary permit. Keep that with you while you wait for the real one. It usually arrives in about 7 to 10 business days. It looks like a regular license, but it's labelled Instruction Permit at the top. And that's it. Once you've got your permit, you're officially allowed to begin supervised driving.